Hello, students of class 8 of Vidya Bhavan School. Hope you're all doing well. So, today, as you can see in the board, I am going to discuss the sums from time and distance. So, some of the sum I've already discussed in the class. So, let's begin with sum number 27. Okay, so I'm reading aloud sum number 27. Just listen carefully. Okay, so it's given that the work of three men is equal to that of five women. Six men and two women can finish a work in 50 days. How long will 12 men and 4 women take to finish the work? Okay, so this is the question. Let's see how we will solve this sum. Okay, so we can write like this, that here it has been said that the work of three men is equals to the work of five women. Now what we can do with this information, we can convert the work of either the men or women in terms of another. Suppose if I am converting the work of men, then I will convert the work of one man into the work of woman in terms of woman. Okay, so from other side we can also convert the work of one woman in terms of the work of men, right? So here I am converting the work of men into women, so I can write therefore the work of one man is equals to how much? Work of 5 by 3 women. This I can write. Yes, so we can write like this: work of 6 men and 2 women equals how much? 6 men, right? Men means how much? 5 by 3 women, right? And mean plus, and 2 women we will keep like this, we will not change anything. Okay, so if I cancel this out, this will be 10 women plus 2 women, that is 12 women. Now if you see in the book, it has been said that work of that the six men and 2 women can complete the work in 50 days. We need to find the work done by 12 men and 4 women. Again we will convert the work of 12 women and 4 women in completely into in terms of women. So work of 12 men and 4 women, this will be equals to 12 into women. It's given men, so we will convert into women. 5 by 3 women, and means plus 4 women we will keep like this. Okay, so if I cancel this out, so this will be 20 women plus 4 women, that is 24 women, right? 24 women. Okay, this much is clear, I think. Now it has been said, if you see in the question, work of 6, the work done by 6 women and 6 men and 2 women can complete the work in 50 days. So we have converted 6 women and 2 women into totally women, that is 12 women. So can I write like this? If you remember the initial sums that we have done in time and work, the pattern by which we have solved the sum, we will solve in that manner. Okay, so I can write here number of women, and I can write here number of days, right? I can write it. So first of all, work of 6 women and 12 women work of 6 men and 2 women equals how many women? 12 women. So I will write 12, and this 12 women can complete the work in 50 days. Okay, and work of 12 men and 4 women equals 24 women. 24 women, and this we don't know. So here we will write, let the work done by 12 men and 4 women, in bracket we will write 24 women, be x days. Okay, and here we will write x. Now here is number of women and here is number of days. So what is the relationship between number of women and number of days? Mean time, obviously span of time. What is the relationship between them? It is an inverse relation, right? It is an inverse relation. So how should I write this? 12 by 24 equals, as it is an inverse relation, this will get reciprocate. So x by 50. Why I am doing this? Because it is an inverse, relation, right? So what is the value of x? 12 into 50 by 24 equals to x. So this will cancel out and x will be sorry, this will be 2 here, right? And this will be 25. So x is how much? 25 days. So how we will write the answer? In answer we will write that because we have been asked in terms of 12 men and 4 women, we have converted it, that's another thing, but we will write the answer in this by this only. Okay, 12 men and 4 women. So the or we can write like this 12 men and 4 women can complete the work in 25 days. In this manner we can write. Okay, so this is a bit different kind of sum, but easy one, not so complex, just we have to think logically. Okay, just a tricky one actually. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So this much for this video. Thank you.